freaking wind is so strong. My car is literally blowing to the left and shit. And I slid too a couple of times, multiple times. And now we're back into the treacherous snow. Alright guys, I just arrived at the mall and I'm going to get our luggage for the trip to Iowa. These things have a lot of room in it. Maya's gonna love it, and she likes burgundy, so I said, yeah, I'm gonna get this for her and me. And we got matches luggage. It's so cute.
What's up, BMZ fam? We're back with another bopper.
Yeah, dig. Alright guys, so today we're moving to Iowa. We'll show you the place when we get there, show you guys around. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
She bought us flowers to go on our trip to Iowa. Thank you so much. Man.
Yeah, I wanted to take it out so you could see the flowers. I wanted you all to look at the card together.
So we're finally leaving. We got everything packed.
Yeah.
And we about to go out.
Yeah, you see how packed that is?
Alright guys, we pulled over.
We're not going into the casino, y'all. Okay?
I don't know if you guys can see that.
We cannot turn a penny into 1,000, okay?
But we pulled over so baby can eat and get changed because she's.
We literally just invented a way to change her. Like her dad was the tabletop. And
yeah, we put her right here and changed her. We literally in the country, y'all. Like, this is crazy. We seen cows and everything.
y'all, it was like Get Out, but 2.
3 hours later.
And we got how many more to go? We got 3 hours to go.
Right.
But that's gonna go by fast. The 2 hours went by pretty fast. We was chilling, listening to music, and it was cool.
And Zahava's been so good. She's just been sleeping the whole entire time. So it really, wasn't a big deal.
Exactly. But
So.
guys, stay tuned. Our next stop is food, and then you get to see the home.
Yes. Yo, so it literally went from rain to snow.
And guys, the freaking wind is so strong. My car is literally blowing to the left and shit. And I slid too a couple of times, multiple times. And now we're back into the treacherous snow.
What the heck? Pray for us, y'all. Pray for us, because what is this? We're still on the road. We're stuck behind a freaking plow truck because it needs to be plowed. You know what I'm saying? We got an hour. You can't even see him, so I won't even show you.
Yeah, guys, it's just been snowing like crazy. It's been bad. We've been slipping the whole ride here.
Like drip, drip, like the meat.
Look, we can't even see nothing. Look at this. It's horrible.
I don't even think they can see. Oh, jeez, little freaking weeds. Well, use your windshield wiper and wipe the dang windshield.
Oh, you trying to make my car?
No. So according to maps, we are almost there. Oh, is this it? Is this where we're turning? Nope.
No, next turn.
Next turn. Dang, all the trucks want to come out now when we getting off the road. Y'all would have been nice 5 hours ago. The heck? There's no way we can even park.
Hell no.
There is no way.
Alright guys, we're finally in a new place. We got here last night, but we had to unpack and rewind. We had to get our sleep because it was a long drive. So we have a coat rack. We put our shoes there. We have TV and storage to store books, or I store my game in Zahava's globe. And we have extra cover. We have a little chair to sit on. That's where I'm gonna sit to play the game. You already know what it is. And here go baby. And my other baby.
Y'all, you can see the drive all in my face. Get away from me.
And here's the couch. We have a stand right here with a few essentials. And we'll show you guys. Here's the bathroom.
That water pressure though.
Yeah, the water pressure is amazing. We packed a few things from us.
Watch all my booty crack.
Oh, whoa. Yeah. That water pressure is amazing. Alright guys, so here is the kitchen. Yeah. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. And we have a storage. We can put our storage here. And here's the room. Yes, here's the room. The room is pretty nice. Pretty simple. We got drawers. We got a couple of books right there. Nightstand, candle. Baby's pack and play. Yeah, guys, that's everything. It's pretty cool, pretty, yeah, perfect size just for me and her while I'm doing working, come home to
We'll let you guys know the full details when we move too.
yes. Guys, I stacked up on the food. This should last us a couple of weeks.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Baby stuck to my food thing, which thank you, baby.
Yeah, we got mainly healthy stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna be eating healthy on our trips now.
It's just really hard for him to eat healthy because this man can eat whatever he wants and not gain a pound. And then he can take a bite of a cookie and I'll gain his weight. You know what I'm saying?
Alright guys, so the reason we went to Iowa from Missouri is because I'm finally gonna start traveling as a CNA. And this is my first assignment as a travel CNA. This is my first assignment. So I'm not gonna refuse the money, so I say, yeah. Go ahead, sign me up.
You gonna refuse the money, baby?
Nah.
How's the money?
Oh, real nice, yeah. Give me, it's gonna pay all
They
the
don't
debt.
need no. They don't need.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss no notifications.
So you won't miss me from VMZ because you don't want to see him. You just want to see me. And if I get kissed, who wouldn't want to see you? Bye, guys.